Hi, welcome back. I am Josh, Assistant Director for Fisher's Health Department, here in the afternoon of Tuesday, March 15th, 2022, with our COVID 19 community update. So, we met this past Friday on March 11th in the afternoon with the Fisher's Health Department, Board of Health, and discussed the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC's COVID 19 community levels as a new form of guidance and indicators to replace the Fisher's Health Department metrics and community risk rating guidance. We discussed this with the board and they unanimously approved the adoption of the CDC COVID 19 community levels, and we'll be pointing to those moving forward as we discuss COVID 19 in our community. Now, the new CDC community levels reflect the shift from pandemic emergency response to COVID 19 to this endemic status and management of COVID 19. It uses a set of metrics that are more relevant given the current levels of vaccine induced immunity and immunity from previous infection across communities, and the context that we now have tools that are more effective and efficacious at responding to the COVID 19 pandemic, including the most effective tool, which is COVID 19 vaccines. Now, these community measures focus on minimizing the impact of severe COVID 19 illness on individuals, minimizing the burden on the healthcare system, and take overall strategies to protecting the most vulnerable individuals across communities and those that are most vulnerable from outcomes with severe and moderate cases of COVID 19 disease. So when we look at the new levels, overall it takes into account the past 7-day total of COVID 19 cases per 100,000 population, and then it looks at the burden on the healthcare system. So it includes an evaluation of the new COVID 19 hospital admissions per 100,000 individuals over the past 7 days, and the percent of staffed beds occupied by COVID 19 patients as a 7-day average. And when you take those three different areas in totality, you then are in a CDC COVID 19 community level of either low, medium, or high. When we look at the Fisher's community level based on the most recent data, the 7-day total COVID 19 cases per 100,000 individuals is at 25.3. The new 7-day total hospital admissions per 100,000 individuals in our area is at 4.9, and the percent of staffed beds occupied by COVID 19 patients as a 7-day average is at 3.5%. Now, all of those three metric areas indicate that we are in a CDC COVID 19 community level of low. We will be updating our website to include the new CDC COVID 19 community levels guidance, and that also includes guidance for individuals based on community level and what behaviors and strategies individuals are recommended to take to help minimize the exposure and potential for COVID 19 severe outcomes, whether it's for themselves or it is for a vulnerable member that is in their family or a friend. And then also it proposes recommendations for community wide strategies to help reduce the opportunity for severe illness across your community and the impact on the COVID 19 or the impact on the healthcare system. So again, we are adopting the CDC COVID 19 community levels to replace our metrics. We'll be updating our website with all of this information, and we will be providing these update videos to align when CDC releases some key data every Thursday. The CDC releases their data every Thursday by 8 p.m., so we will be offering our COVID 19 community update videos every other Friday, and the next video will be on April 1st, 2022. Now, in terms of other COVID 19 activities, our testing and vaccination sites are remaining open, and the testing site is open Monday through Saturday, and our COVID 19 vaccination clinic is open Tuesday through Saturday. We will have 2 days of closure for both sites, and that is on April 1st and April 2nd. So that is Friday, April 1st, and Saturday, April 2nd. Both the Fisher's Health Department COVID 19 testing and COVID 19 vaccine services will be closed on those 2 days. Thank you again for joining. I'm Josh with Fisher's Health Department. If you have questions over this video, please email us at healthdept@fishers.in.us. And you can call our COVID 19 hotline at 317 595 3211. Thank you and have a wonderful day.